Hello dear students, good afternoon. Today we will study about chapter 4 atomic structure. Now introduction. We know that anything that occupies space and has mass is called matter, and matter is made up of many tiny particles called atoms. Thus, atoms are the building blocks of matter. Rishi Kanath, an Indian philosopher, was the first person who suggested that matter is made up of small particles called Parmanu. Now, atom, what is atom? The word atom is derived from Greek word atomos. It means individual. A Greek philosopher, Democritus, coined the term atom, the smallest particle that exhibits all the properties of matter and may or may not have independent existence is called an atom. Atom takes part in a chemical reaction. Now about Dalton's atomic theory. What was the Dalton's atomic theory? He has given theory that matter is made up of very small particles called atoms. Atoms cannot be divided further, they are indivisible. Atoms can neither be created nor be destroyed. Atoms of the same element are identical in all aspects like mass, size, and properties. Atoms of different elements differ from each other. They have different masses, size, and properties. When atoms combine, they do so in a simple numerical ratios. Now, fundamental particles. According to the modern atomic theory, atoms are destructible. Atoms are divisible and consist of fundamental particles called electrons, protons, and neutrons. These particles are also known as subatomic particles or fundamental particles. The fundamental particles, we know that they are electron, proton, and neutrons. So, now about electrons. Electrons discovered by J.J. Thomson, and electrons are negatively charged particles. Electrons have one unit negative charge. Electrons mass of an electron or mass is 9.1 to 9.1 multiply 10 to the power minus 28 gram. They have negligible mass because they are lightest particle, and electrons are located in orbits or cells outside the nucleus. Protons discovered by Goldstein, and protons are positively charged particles. Protons have one unit positive charge, and the mass of an proton is 1.672 multiplied 10 to the power minus 24 gram. and protons are located inside the nucleus. Now neutrons are discovered by James Chadwick. Neutrons are neutral particles. Neutrons have no charge and the mass of a neutron is 1.675 multiplied 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Neutrons located inside the nucleus. Now basic structure of an atom. Here atomic number, which is denoted by Z, of an element is equal to the number of protons or equal to the number of electrons present in it. Atomic number is equal to number of protons equal to number of electrons. For example, the atomic number of carbon is 6. It means that carbon atom has 6 protons and 6 electrons. Atomic number, which is denoted by Z, is equal to number of protons and is equal to number of electrons. So here Z equal to and atomic number of carbon is 6. So here Z equal to 6 equal to 6 number of proton and number of electron. Now molecule. Atoms of the same element or different elements combine to form a molecule. Here in the diagram given, here oxygen atom plus oxygen atom forms oxygen molecule, and here hydrogen atom and chlorine atom forms hydrogen chloride molecule. A molecule is the smallest particle of a pure substance, element or compound which can exist independently and retain the physical and chemical properties of the substance. Molecules of elements, two or more atoms of the same element combine to form a molecule of an element. Like oxygen atom plus oxygen atom form oxygen molecule, and nitrogen atom plus nitrogen atom forms nitrogen molecule. Molecules of compound, two or more elements of different elements combine chemically in a fixed ratio by mass to form a molecule of a compound. Elements of different kinds, here different kinds of atoms, hydrogen atom plus oxygen atom plus hydrogen atom form water molecule H2O, and other is oxygen atom plus carbon atom plus oxygen atom forms carbon dioxide molecule, which is represented by the formula CO2. Now atomicity. What is atomicity? The number of atoms present in one molecule of an element or a compound is called its atomicity. The first is monoatomic molecule. A molecule of an element composed of only one atom is known as monoatomic molecule. The atoms of metals, metallites, and noble gases do not combine with their own type of atom. The atoms of these elements are known as monoatomic molecule. For example, metals sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron. Now metalloids boron, arsenic, silicon, germanium, antimony, and noble or inert gases are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. They are monoatomic molecule which is composed of only one atom. Now second is diatomic molecule. A molecule containing two atoms of an element is known as diatomic molecule. For example, hydrogen H2, oxygen O2, nitrogen N2, chlorine Cl2. So all these gases have two atoms of an element. Now triatomic molecule, a molecule containing three atoms is known as triatomic molecule. Example, ozone O3, which is represented by O3. So this is triatomic molecule. Now polyatomic molecule, a molecule containing more than three atoms is known as polyatomic molecule. Examples are phosphorus, which is represented by P4, and sulfur S8. So they are polyatomic molecule. Now radical, what is radical? A radical is an atom of an element or a group of atoms of different elements behaving as a single unit with a positive or negative charge. Example, NH4 plus, Na plus, sodium, chlorine Cl minus, and carbonate CO3 2 minus, etc. A radical takes part unsplit in a chemical reaction and retain its identity in reactions. Types of radicals. There are two types of radicals, acid and basic. Acid radicals are negatively charged radicals called acid radicals or anions. Acid radicals are non-metallic ions and groups of non-metallic atoms with negative charge. Example, carbonate CO3 2 minus, sulfate SO4 2 minus, chloride Cl minus 1, bromide Br, oxide O2 minus, nitrate NO3 minus 1, etc. Basic radicals. The positively charged radicals are called basic radicals or cation. Basic radicals are the metallic ions and some group of non-metallic atoms with positive charge. Sodium ion Na plus 1, calcium ion C8 plus 2 or 2 plus, magnesium ion magnesium plus 2, ammonium ion NH4 plus, etc. Thank you.